What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, it is nighttime. And one of the subscribers reached out. Let me make sure I'm reading this right here. Gilbert Carrera wanted me to do a video about how these headlights, the Akkon DRL headlights, perform at nighttime. So, seeing as though that I did just get myself a new camera, I'm working through some settings. So I think I got the settings on this thing right to where we can kind of see at nighttime. So let's check this thing out real quick. So we're gonna take a ride and see how good the quality is on this camera riding at night. Well, riding when it's dark. So basically, it's just early in the morning. I'm on my way to work. So we're gonna check this thing out and see how well they do. So we're gonna do a little driving. So far, just me looking through the GoPro itself, it's looking pretty good. I mean, I think I got the settings just right. I'm gonna probably have this as my night settings. I don't know. Well, we also get to experience some rain. So as you can see, with these lights on, I got my fog lights on too. So let me cut the fog lights off real quick there. Hold on. There we go. Now we just riding with just the headlights. Let me get down the street, man, and we'll see how this thing is gonna look. At the same time, man, we get to do some driving in the ghost. It's some nighttime driving, but we get to do some driving. So y'all can see all of that. That is the picture. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna turn that off. All right, so now I'm gonna turn the fog lights back on. And that's what it looks like with the fog lights added on there with it. Hold on, we got somebody pulling up on us. So hopefully the video quality on this is pretty good. So hopefully I can kind of, somewhat experience what I'm experiencing with these lights. So let me like I said, let me turn this back off again. So here we go. It's about to be pretty dark around over here. So there we go. That's what we look like without the fog lights on, with just the Akkon DRL headlights. With the well, these are LED lights that I put in here. As y'all remember the install. I'll probably post a video. I mean, I'll put that video in one of the corners, the top right corner of the screen there, where y'all can see the exact setup that I put in there. But that's with no fog lights, and that's with the fog lights added. So fog lights help out tremendously, but the headlights do a good job. They do better than the stock ones, I'll tell you that. So yeah, man, another thing that I want to do today, probably when I get off, is a while back I told y'all I wanted to pick somebody to do a giveaway whenever we reach 500, and here we are at 500, which I really appreciate y'all getting us up to. Now we got to do is make it all the way to 1,000, and then it's gonna really start banging in. But so I had to think about how do I pick a winner for this giveaway. And then it hit me. Just to show how much I appreciate those who really engage with the channel. You watch the videos and you comment in the comment section, man, which is like, you know, it's always cool to have people reach out and speak to you. So what I did is I gathered a few names from the from about, I don't know, maybe past 6 months or so, and picked out some names of people who commented in comment sections on some of the videos, and I threw them into a name generator, and then we're gonna let that thing do its thing, and then we're gonna pick a winner, and that winner is gonna have to hit me up on Instagram, and they're gonna have the opportunity to make a choice on the few things that I had to give away, which I'm going to show later on. Well, actually, basically when I get home, I'll show y'all exactly what those things are. Well, that person will have to pick through those items, hit me up on Instagram, let me know what they want, and then at that point, we'll get that thing shipped out to them, and we'll have our 500 subscriber giveaway winner. Whoa. Man, it done freaking flooded over here a little bit, man. Oh, snap. Man, let me get through this. That's one thing y'all should know, man. When it's raining heavily, always ride in the outside or the left lane on the outside, man, because ain't no telling what's on the right-hand side, y'all. But yeah, let me go ahead and get my butt to work, man, and then we'll chop it up later on. We're back at the house, and it's time to go ahead and to pick a winner for you guys helping me get to the 500 subscriber milestone. I gotta say, man, I really appreciate y'all getting me to this point, man. And this is just a small way of me showing my appreciation to y'all by trying to give something, you know, to give something away that somebody can use. You know what I mean? And now I'm new to this this giveaway thing. I mean, I gave away one thing. That one went kind of smooth, but this time I had a hard time trying to figure out how exactly do I get this done. So then it hit me. I was like, oh, I got a good idea. Why don't I use like a random name generator? So I went on ahead and I went to a website and I found one, and I plugged in a few names. Now the names that I put in there are names of individuals who have been commenting on the channel, giving me good ideas and giving me their suggestions, and you know what I'm saying, keeping it real positive on the channel, man. And I appreciate that. And I appreciate that communication and y'all taking the time out to do that. So what I wind up doing here is I'm going to, like I said earlier, I'm going to, I got a few things that I'm gonna try and give away. Now, it was hard to try and figure out what that is because I don't know what everyone has. I mean, you might have a STI, or you might have an FA20 motor in there, and you might, have a WRX. So the three things that I have. So let me go ahead and show you those things. So the first thing we have is the Drycon, the Grimsby Drycon drop-in air filter. So this is one of the things we're gonna give away, is this guy here. Next on the lineup is the a carbon fiber shift knob. So this thing here, I mean, it comes with all of the adapters and everything. It's in good shape, looks good, and I'm gonna use that. That way, then, like, who the winner is, they get to pick between these three items. So now let me get the third item. Get to the third one. So this is the Torque Solutions engine, pulley cover / engine cover. And there's this thing, I have the hardware and everything. And remember, I had an issue with this thing, but I was able to repair it. One of the pieces of hardware, but I got it replaced and I got something brand new, put that on there, so it's ready to go. I have a video on how I installed all of these. If y'all want to look back at the channel and check those out. Matter of fact, I'll put those in the description. The way then, whoever wins this, you can, look at the video on how to install it all. So those are the three things. So that the individual, whoever who wins, can pick from. And what that's gonna what you're gonna wind up having to do is just at least DMing me on Instagram. Now I gotta figure out a way to authenticate it to make sure it's the right person, but you know, contact me and that person will get to choose between these 3 things on which one that they want to win. So the random name generator. So here it is right here, guys. This is the random name generator. So I put a lot of names in there already, as many as I could fit in there. And what we're gonna do is I'm going to tap this thing, and when I tap it, it's gonna spin, and then it's gonna pick us a winner. So let's go ahead and let's knock this out. So I'm gonna go ahead and touch it right now. And it's spinning and spinning, and uh-oh, it stops on Jaden Brubaker. Druden Baker. I'm just butchering your name. Jaden Brubaker. You are the winner. So, what I need you to do big time is hit me up on Instagram. That's going to be in the description as well. And hit me up. Let's conversate. Let's figure out which one of those 3 items that you want, man. Congratulations and thank you. Thank all of you guys for supporting the channel and getting us to this milestone. So now all we got to do now is get to 1,000 so we can really kind of get it cracking. Because, you know, I'm limited on certain things that I can do. Because, you know, like I tell you, your boy balls on the budget. I use the Bob method. And, but if the channel can help support itself, that would help out tremendously. So, again, thank all of y'all for y'all support, man. Appreciate y'all. Congratulations again. Jaden, hit me up and let's figure this thing out and figure out which one of these items will work. And there we go, man. We got our winner. And now it's time to get to the next stage, which is 1,000 subscribers, so we can really get things cracking and get to moving. So again, man, appreciate y'all, man. I really do appreciate y'all supporting me on the channel, man. Comment and talk to me, because, you know, like I say, this is my escape from the 9 to 5, the day-to-day craziness that goes on. The time that I can spend, the time that I spend making videos, talking to you guys, is it's a nice escape from all of the craziness, man. So I appreciate y'all for making this possible for me as well, man. So until that next video, man, like, subscribe, hit that bell notification, hit all so you get notified whenever I put out a video. And I'll see y'all on the next video, y'all. Peace.